Today, I'll take you to the monastery of Yohanna al-Dailami in Baghdad. As you can see, it's behind me, and I'll take you at a journey to this lovely, delightful, beautiful monastery. The monastery of Saint Yohanna al-Dailami belongs to the Syriac Orthodox Church, and it's about 3 kilometers away from Baghdad. The monastery is called Moqortaia or Moqortaia locally, but it holds the name of Saint Yohanna al-Dailami. Now I'm going into the monastery. So this is the monastery, and that's the monks' living rooms. And also there's a cistern. This is it, as you can see. It was used to collect water from the hill of Moqortaia. I don't know the method of how they collected the water, but they did it anyway. There is a stairs that leads to the roof of the monastery. So I'm gonna show you where the monastery is. Yeah, it's the outskirts of Baghdad. I'm going into the church of the monastery right now. The monastery was built in the 9th century. It's not a big church, and they have like baptized place for babies, I guess, and they also have bookshelf for Bible and liturgical books, and this is where they do the mass. That's the monk, the only monk who lives in the monastery right now. This is the tomb, and they say he was born in Haditha in Nineveh, and he came to Baghdad during the 7th century to convert the people of Baghdad into Christianity. And the old mentioning of the monastery dates back to the 9th century. And every year, people celebrate his anniversary at the last Friday of March. This is the hill of موقرتايا or Moqortaia, which was the monastery of Saint Yohanna al-Dailami was named after this hill. And this was the end of our journey at the monastery of Saint Yohanna al-Dailami, and I will meet you in the next video.